According to a study released on October 30 by asset management platform CoinShares, weekly inflows into cryptocurrency exchange-traded products reached their highest levels in over a year. The $326 million in inflows for the week ending October 27 far outpaced the $66 million for the week prior. ETPs are investment funds that track the price of a certain asset through notes or shares. When it comes to cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, they typically follow the price of well-known cryptocurrencies like Ether or Bitcoin. Instead of holding these assets outright, some investors would rather use funds to gain exposure to cryptocurrency prices because shares of these funds can be kept in a conventional brokerage account. An ETP inflow occurs when the fund's price rises faster than its underlying asset, which causes the fund to buy the asset. This is generally seen as bullish for the underlying asset. By contrast, an outflow occurs when the fund has to sell the asset because the prices of their notes or shares are declining relative to their target, which is usually seen as bearish. The CoinShares report states that $326 million was received each week for the week ending October 27. This was the highest since July 2022, a period of 15 months. Additionally, ETP inflows occurred for the fifth week in a row. According to CoinShares, one possible explanation for the sudden rise in inflows could be rising optimism from investors that the US SEC is poised to approve a spot-based Bitcoin ETF in the US, which could anticipate that there will be inflows to US-based funds after approval.
In 2023, tokenized S.Treasury securities have increased by about 7 times thus far due to increased competition between blockchain platforms and investment offerings. The tokenized Treasury market increased from approximately $100 million at the beginning of the year to $698 million as of Monday, according to real-world asset tracking platform RWA.XYZ. Charlie Yu, co-founder of RWA.XYZ, stated in the R Network newsletter that the growth of the platform was fueled by both new players entering the market and platform's current growth. Blockchain data shows that Ethereum recently overtook the Stellar network in terms of treasury token value on-chain. Later newcomers Polygon and Solana also drew in over $40 million in assets collectively. Blockchain data shows that the Ethereum recently overtook the Stellar network in terms of treasury token value on-chain. The RWA.XYZ states that this points to a diversifying blockchain landscape for tokenized assets. It was said by the end of the decade, the market for tokenized assets might reach $10 trillion according to investment firm 21.co.
In the US Securities and Exchange Commission fraud lawsuit, Terraform Labs and its co-founder Kwon are pleading with a federal judge to support them, claiming the SEC has not been able to demonstrate the cryptocurrency business was selling securities. Stablecoin issuer Terraform's $40 billion debacle in 2022 was a major first step toward the collapse of several well-known cryptocurrency companies. Today, the company is one of the many crypto companies battling the agency over fundamental issues pertaining to the digital asset sector. The company was accused by SEC of selling unregistered securities in a major scheme that lost investors billions of dollars after its Luna cryptocurrency and Terra USD stablecoin crashed. In addition, the firm is requesting that the court reject the opinions of experts that the SEC hired to support its position, citing a professor at Rutgers University conceptually flawed reasoning among them. Kwon has requested that the SEC's request to question him in the United States on the disastrous crash of his company's token but denied by the same court. Because Kwon is still being held in Montenegro, his attorneys are fighting any chance for the stablecoin founder to testify, claiming that it would be impossible to get him to the United States. Authorities in the United States and South Korea have both asked for his extradition. That's all in today's special segment. For more such updates, watch 3.tv or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more. Thank you.